So, hi everyone. I thought of doing something a little fun and a little more like entertaining today, and I've been dying to do this like for so long. Like, I literally had to beg and beg and beg and beg. This is gonna be a brother does my makeup challenge. I am super excited for this. Like, I have no idea. Like, I had no preparation, nothing for this. Okay, I just like took bath and I've just like sat like this. If you want to check out my previous series, make sure you click the link up here, which is gonna be more, it's mainly meant for beginners, so it's all beginner friendly tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one and stay tuned.
I'm just
Are you nervous?
composing myself.
Are you nervous?
No.
Okay, drum roll please. This is Pramod, the brother for the makeup challenge. So yeah,
I'm just a brother for a makeup challenge. And nothing more than that.
no choice. Like just a fun fact. I'm actually like a single child, and this is a cousin of mine. So he's the closest one I have to a brother. And I have another one who's like, I mean, he's also like super close to me, but he's only like 6 years old. So I don't think it would be like fine to get him on YouTube. And I don't think he can sit for that long also for a video. But I'm pretty sure he'll also enjoy doing this. Like scribbling.
Hopefully I have fun doing this.
I don't know that you have fun, but we have fun. The entire group, we're all gonna have fun. So yeah.
There are some very sharp and dangerous stuff here.
Nothing is dangerous. like before we started the entire thing, he was using this to comb his like hair and his beard and all that stuff. This is spoolie and this is a MAC pencil, okay? So he has like no respect for my makeup, and yeah, I mean that kind of shows it. So yeah, like let's just see what is his take on makeup, and let's see to what extent he can figure some things out.
And Sonika, you have given me a lot of things, and
Yeah.
I literally have no clue what any of those things are. And some of them looks like test tubes for me, and I just need to make some chemicals and
Okay, fine.
put on your face or something.
I tell you how am I gonna help you out for this. Okay, I'm gonna slightly kind of guide you. Okay.
Okay.
Like by what I mean is guidance. I'm not gonna tell him what to use. I'm not gonna do that. I'll tell him that okay, like see, like I've kind of like arranged them all. Like this is face makeup, this is eye makeup, like that. So he can pick any foundation he wants from all of my foundations, and he can use like I've given him a sponge, I've given him a brush, so he can use whichever he wants, and yeah, you can just go about like I'm not telling technique at all. Technique is gonna be like completely what like the way he thinks it should be like, and he has no reference photo as such. So yeah, I mean like it's gonna be down to creativity, and that is good sometimes. It's always good to not like be stuck at something, It's just gonna like yeah, you can just
unleash
you just unleash your inner artist. So he's gonna start with a primer because he's so clueless. So yeah, this is your base product. So which primer are you using?
Becca?
Becca.
Becca?
Becca what?
Poreless priming perfector.
Yeah, perfect.
Gonna make your skin perfect, huh?
Okay, it's actually not coming out.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's coming out.
Off to a bad start. Ready! Oh my goodness me. What
I
the
just spilled
hell?
some on his lap.
Fine, okay, it's coming out now. Okay, fine.
That is enough for you actually. That's why I took really that much out.
Whoa, what up?
Not for the entire face, just go around like,
Wow.
okay, I'm not gonna say anything.
Putting it.
He just applied the primer exactly where I wouldn't apply my primer.
I don't know. Just applying
He's
wherever it is.
applying primer on my jawline. I can't stop laughing.
Okay, I'm done.
You
Okay, wait, I need to apply the nose too.
Wow.
Wait, okay. Done.
Fine, shut it down.
Probably this.
Okay, he chose the Maybelline Fit Me. Fine. Wow, okay. That's kind of like a cult favorite foundation.
Okay.
So how are you gonna like do the foundation?
Do I use this thing?
Yeah, okay, you can use that.
Do I use this? Okay, I'm using this.
What is that
Whatever
called
this
as?
is. It's like a teardrop or something,
Okay,
in
that's
physical
good. Like if
form.
it is me, I would call it as an egg.
Wait, do I need to apply on this and apply on your face, or how
That's
is
up
that?
to you. No one's gonna help you with
Okay,
that.
let me just.
We should do an Instagram live like this,
Let's just see how it is. It's like a liquid, so it should be working like this though. Are you sure this will work fine?
Yeah.
Fine, just put in it.
You just made a blob of foundation.
Okay, wait.
Okay. He's actually being really gentle, you know. That's so sweet. Okay, just bring your hammer my face.
Wait, it's not really even enough.
That's what happens. You can switch to a brush if you're finding a sponge like uncomfortable to use.
Wait.
Choose like you can like take the brushes and
Which brush do I take? You have a lot of brushes, man.
just think what would be like more suitable for what you're doing and just use your brain actually.
This looks like an X. Maybe this.
No,
Okay, no, this.
you can just see the brushes based on the color which is already left on it, right? No. No! Yeah.
This one.
Like just look at the color, that's the same color as my foundation, right? So
The same color, dude. What the?
you can touch it and see this is a little I've never got my makeup done till now by anyone else. Like this is the first time it had to be from you. It's not like some professional makeup artist. Is it even blended in?
Yes. Need some more. Is it fine? Is it enough? I think it's done. I think it's perfect.
You think like all the skin, like all the acne marks and all are covered?
No.
Then how is it done?
Covering them. Oh yeah, it's covering now. That's so cool.
Boys. It's like dumbness overloaded.
Yeah. Kind of creepy, man. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm done. I think I'm
I
done.
don't have a mirror,
I'm bored.
guys, so
I'm bored already.
he's
actually.
bored of this.
Yeah.
Okay, move on to concealer.
Next up.
Concealer.
Okay. So the next thing is a concealer. What's a concealer? It conceals the pores, I guess. Is that what it is? What does a concealer do?
Okay, it kind of covers your.
Pores.
It covers any pigmentation in your face.
Okay, whatever.
So I gave him the sugar waterproof concealer. So yeah,
Why is it coming out like this, dude?
that's how it comes out.
And how do you apply it?
Think.
It's like
Yeah.
dabbing, painting, what I do.
First you're applying.
Okay.
Haven't you ever watched any of my videos?
Nah. I mean, I don't really pay attention to all these details, you know.
Like you would see me doing the same thing every time when I'm applying concealer. What happened to my eye region? That's where the concealer is mainly needed. Finally. What about my under eyes? Okay, good. You did that inner part, which is like very much needed. Is it blending?
Yeah. Actually. Wait. Don't wait.
He's like literally like pressing and pulling. He's pulling the product. He's not like pushing it inwards. So yeah, that's one thing. You want a brush?
No. This is working really well, actually. The egg is beautiful.
I told you, right? The egg is like really good.
Not really on your eye, in this eye. Still.
Ouch! My eyeball. Oh, okay. Next up
is the highlighter, contouring, blush. I don't know. I don't know what is next.
Okay, you applied something on my face, right?
Yep.
It's all sticky.
Yep.
But I don't want it to be sticky. What do I do?
Rub it off.
No.
Then what do you do?
I want to like, I want to make it very like matte finish. I want to set it. Okay, how do I set a creamy stuff? Think about textures. Like you have like creamy stuff. You have
Something powdery.
Yes. So take a powder.
Okay. One step some.
No, yuck.
What? Okay.
Just because it's called banana powder doesn't mean it's coming from bananas. It's just because the
Oh.
color of the powder.
That's a shame. Okay.
No one wants banana smelling product. That's going to be so weird.
Okay. That's it, right?
Again, he applied exactly where we don't apply, at least where I don't apply powder.
There are some things coming up over here.
Yeah, it's because of the primer you applied.
Okay. Okay, I'm
He's
using
gonna
a
use-
Kiko Milano.
Kiko Milano!
Kiko Milano, okay. It's a sculpting touch, and okay, let's just open it up. Wait, okay. So, as far as I'm aware, contouring is done to highlight a certain feature on
Wrong!
your face.
Wrong!
Okay, then,
What does the word say?
okay, I
Dude,
don't know.
think about it. Okay, think. What does, okay, fine. If this a contour is for this, and what does the highlighter do?
Highlights it even more, you know.
No!
Okay, I'm assuming this is like
It
gives you a
adds shadow. Yeah, it adds
shadow,
shadows to
okay.
your face.
So, where do you need shadow on your face?
Where do you think I need shadows on my face?
Nose?
Yeah, okay, good. That's good that he knows that. Wow, that's good.
Maybe
Jawline.
your jawline?
Yeah,
Probably.
then
Um,
cheekbones.
okay, yeah. I mean,
Ah,
So,
yeah.
So,
So let's see how he contours.
it's like entire jawline, or how would I do it?
I'm not growing a beard.
Okay, so this here probably.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh my god. I
What?
might look like I got a beard.
Okay, wait. Maybe here. Maybe here. And probably below. Right below?
Then why did you do it here? He's using two brushes at the same time, like finish up.
Wait, do I just blend it up? Or what I do it?
You know, this side's gonna look messy because of the mistake you did. It's gonna look all brown there.
It's okay.
Right, okay. That's for the nose, yeah. That brush is for my nose contour.
Just leave it.
You're blending it downwards. Okay, nice. You know, he's blending it upwards.
Blending it everywhere.
Yeah,
Molten golden?
Yeah, it's 100 molten.
Fondue? What's a fondue?
Fondue means cream in French.
Cream. Okay.
Open it up. It's not a cream actually, it's actually a powder
Open this
highlighter.
shit up. And why is this for?
Highlighter.
Hiding what?
What's the meaning of highlighter?
I don't know.
He's adding everything in that lower part. Full face of shiny stuff I have now.
That's gonna come.
Where the light falls on my face, like cheekbones, bridge of the nose.
Bridge of the nose?
This.
Okay. Yeah.
We just broke all the rules of makeup. Yeah, it's stupid.
We break barriers in this channel. Whoa, because things coming up. That's so cool.
He's using a balm instant blush. Actually, that doesn't kick back so much, but I kind of broke it and I can like fix it with alcohol, so it's a little like mushy.
Whoa.
So that's precisely the blush application.
Hey,
What are you doing?
adding blush.
Where?
Everywhere. Nearing the end. Is it?
This is the beginning.
Okay. So where are we now?
Eyebrows. Think where it is.
Kabrow. Kabrow.
Brow. It's the Benefit Car Brow made in like, I think the shade 4.5, yeah. Okay.
Whoa.
So he got a brush.
This came out.
Correct, that's correct. But where do you get the product from? Here. You can open it one more level.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh,
Yeah. And you can place that in the back of it as like to make it longer. If you want like more grip, you can hold it.
Oh
like-
my goodness, that is so cool.
So we're just going to use a pencil because he found it a little too hard to use a pomade. So I'm going to use the Nykaa Brow Styler. Like, no, there's a Brow Chica Wow eyebrow pencil in the shade Coven Coco 01. So yeah, we're going to use this. And this has that like spoolie on the end, you know. Take.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.
Now fill it in. Like you need to cover all the bald patches and fill it in. Not with that. That's just a comb. The other side has the
Oh,
pencil.
okay. Hadn't known. There's a pencil in here. What the hell?
Okay, fine.
It does actually color your skin over.
Yeah.
What that does?
No, don't like.
It did, okay.
Pretty sure you're gonna make me look like SpongeBob. Like, have you seen the SpongeBob eyebrows? This.
Okay.
Okay, so this is like my entire collection of eyeshadow brushes. And does this intimidate you?
Not really. It's okay.
Okay, then that's good. You're like, okay, see, with eyeshadow brushes, you're free to use any brush for anything. It's just based on like, if you wanna cover more area, you use something as big as this.
Bigger, yeah.
You wanna do like small
A
detail
finer
work, you use
thing, yeah,
something like
okay,
this.
cool. I'll take this. Is this purple?
It's a green.
It's green. Okay. No, it's purple. It's purple.
It's a green.
It's a Cuba. This one.
It's a green.
This is not green.
It's a green people.
not
Oh my
green.
god! Wait, let me just show you
That's purple.
the shade here.
That's
So he's
clearly
talking
purple.
about the shade here. It's
That's
a green.
clearly purple. Whoa, it's coming. Like completely on your eye. Huh?
Did you use a big brush?
Why? Next up, I'm using
The Ace Beauty's palette.
two colors from this. I'm using yellow. It's in yellow.
Yeah, that's the yellow.
Okay, this is a maize color.
It's not a. Oh my god! He just like. Just see what he did. Like he just rotated the palette, and there is so much kickback.
So
You have so many color options in
I
that.
feel like a black could do well now.
Yeah, you need some depth
Need
to
some
the look.
Yeah, need some black in there.
He's gonna add a little depth to my look by using a little black from the Norvina Pro Pigment palette. Whoa, he's attempting a cut crease. Wow. He's adding black in my crease and the outer corner. He's attempting to.
Let's start with pink again.
Okay. Now he's loving the Norvina palette. So he's gonna do like two different eye looks on both just because he's very creative and he has a lot of ideas and he wants to like do that on my face. So yeah, so we're gonna go for like pink in the inner corner. On my like as a transition he's adding white.
Done.
Done? Okay, done. Okay, lower lash line next.
One more.
You just put it in my under eye and you made me get like pink dark, like purple dark circles.
Gothic.
Give me a purple dark circle.
Made that here too.
Same color?
Yeah. Doesn't look good. I'm so sorry.
I knew this was gonna happen, it's fine. Eyeshadow's tricky, it's fine. Next, add some more colors, make it like more better if you can.
I'm not drawing that, it's so scary.
He's gonna draw like a wing liner or
Why do I draw it? Is
Oh,
the
here.
question.
as close as possible to my lash line and take it outward. That's a wing liner. Wow, he just did a liner in one stroke. Is that good?
Yeah. It's,
What do you guys think? Is that good? Okay.
not too bad.
Yeah, let's do the other side.
Oh shit. You just move it.
I moved. Nonsense.
Oh shit. It's covered. This came out well. This is like a little pointy.
So I'm going to give him a couple of mascara options, and one is the Kiko Milano, what is it called? Luxurious Lashes Maxi Brush Mascara. This is the Maybelline Falsies Mascara, and this is the Lash Sensational from Maybelline also. So which mascara do you want to use?
What's a mascara?
A mascara is like a product, coat your lashes and make them look more like, yeah, to just get them more like longer and have more volume and definition. So which one do you want?
Why is this pointed out?
That's just the packaging.
Okay. Is this color or
No, they're all black. I don't use colored
I use
mascaras.
this.
Okay,
Use
fine.
the
Use that one. Maybelline
Maybelline,
Lash
yeah.
Sensational Mascara.
Okay.
How do you want me to look? He's like barely touching my eyes. He's so scared.
Yeah, man, this is shit's scary.
It's scary for me because something is coming so close to my eye. He's gonna use henna in the style Nazakat.
I need to paste this on your eye.
Yeah, so he's gonna apply the eyelash glue.
So is this like a left eye thing or a right eye?
Okay, that's a really good question actually. So the shorter sides of your lashes is like on the inner side. So with that you need to figure out which is the left and the right.
Shorter side is inner.
Shorter side will be in the inner part. So scary. He's stuck it on my lid. Is there a gap between my regular and my other lashes?
Yeah.
Oh, then that's wrong. Once stuck, it's
It's
done.
so scary, man.
It's done once it's done.
It's so scary. I mean, it's so scary, dude. How am I supposed to like stick it like tightly on?
Okay, lashes are scary. I
This is
know
so
that.
scary, man. Oh.
Yeah, stick the inner and the outer corner. Yes. Good. Stick the outer corner.
Ah, yeah.
You.
What? It is stuck, right?
To see where he stuck my lashes.
Inside.
No, it's above somewhere.
I wanted a darker shade actually.
Okay, yeah, so he wanted a darker shade for lipstick, so we're gonna like, I gave him like 4 options for it, and he asked for like blues and greens, which I don't have, sadly. So I have these 4 shades and let him choose what he wants out of this.
What is this? This is black over.
It's kind of like a grey, like,
This is good. So difficult. It's so difficult. It's so hard. Oh shit. More detailing, yeah.
detailing
Yeah, that's okay.
lipsticks.
Okay.
Okay, so someone asked for lip gloss, and I'm gonna give him the Makeup Geek lip gloss in, I think this is the shade Sangria. So yeah, enjoy. Kind of like it matches, right?
Is this like a nail polish?
No. If you apply it fully, I'm gonna look like a drooling baby. Okay.
Then how do I
Apply where you want to apply it.
The corner.
Lipstick done.
Perfect.
And
You're up. You can
Yeah.
get out. And
so am I like looking perfect? Or something?
yes. 10
So
on
we're
10.
gonna-
10 on 10, man. 10
So
on
we're gonna
10.
use a MAC Fix Plus. Go a little far away.
What I do with this?
Yeah, like a distance you gotta maintain. Like. Oh God.
Oh, this is what gives it gives that kind of shine.
You just
And
wanna.
we are done with it. It's perfect.
For the final reveal, let's just see how it looks. Oh my God!
Beautiful.
What do you do to my lips? I look like a Dracula.
Yeah. Can I add some detail? I'll add some blood. No. Yeah, no.
With what? Have some red lipsticks.
What?
Okay, add it.
What is this? This is, no. Do I
Red
use this?
lipstick, yeah.
Yeah. So, in what are you very much happy with?
The foundation.
Okay. And what do you think needs a lot more working on, you know?
I think basic things like applying lipstick. Lipstick is one of the most easiest things to do.
It's so difficult, man. I mean,
How
it's
is
like-
it difficult to apply lipstick? Like you already have an outline, you just have to color inside. That even a 6-year-old cousin of mine can also do.
Yeah, man.
Like
But-
it's only outside on this side,
I
it's
mean-
not on this side.
Yeah, I mean, I know like there's something in here. Okay, that's okay.
And yeah, eyeshadow like
Yeah, that's the thing.
that's a given. That's a given.
That's,
Yeah.
that's a given. Yeah, that's a given. Okay.
Okay, so make sure you comment below on what was like the most
So how much?
favorite, like technique which he used. I mean, some of them were like quite interesting, like the eyeshadow techniques were quite interesting. So make sure you comment below on which one was like the most appealing technique to you. And yeah, like let me know if you want to see more videos with him, and I'll do my best to like pull him in. And yeah, so like comment below and like more if you want more, like more videos like this and something more chit chatty and fun, and if you want someone like him coming in for it. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys for another one. Until next time, bye.
Bye bye. Do it till bye again.
Yeah, say bye.
Bye bye.